welcome to Candi Entertains. I'm here with Dee from BonAppéDee, and she is doing a brunch takeover. If you missed our first episode, we did a boozy French toast, and now we're transitioning into a pre-snack?
Yes, a pre-snack. This is going to be our parfait bar.
Ooh.
So you can build your parfait according to your own your personality.
Okay.
Using the ingredients that you have, so you don't have to use all of them.
Beautiful. So what do we have for our parfait?
So we have Greek yogurt here in the middle.
Okay.
Granola. Well, this is almond granola, but you use regular plain granola or whatever.
Okay.
Almond granola has a lot more flavor than regular granola because you'll taste some of the vanilla and the almonds inside.
Good to know.
And then this is blackberries, raspberries, blueberries, and strawberries. So lately, I have been on a berry kick.
Okay.
Because they're the best fruit to eat that don't have so much sugar as the other fruits.
Right.
And berries are better for you. Like, they have so many more vitamins in them, and they also fill you up too.
That's good to know.
Yeah.
This is super healthy too for the new year. Everyone's on a health kick. So I love this parfait bar.
Yeah.
What are these fancy?
Also, and you can add honey.
Okay.
This honey is a Mimosa honey.
Yeah.
It's a little darker, so it's a little nuttier. And this is a sunflower honey.
Okay.
That's actually like a little bit more sweeter.
Okay.
So, just catering to whomever wants sweeter, nuttier honey.
Right. And I love putting honey over the Greek yogurt.
Yes.
Because it's plain, but we're
You add that sweetness. Yep.
Perfect.
Or just that nice, like if you like, I like honey to just kind of like give it a little bit. I like the taste of it.
Okay.
So,
Well, let's get started.
Yes,
You want to build the first one?
no, we can build together.
Okay.
Like, what do you typically like, in your parfait?
For me, I'm allergic to nuts, so I basically do the fruit and the yogurt.
Okay.
And stay away from the granola, but definitely do the honey.
So do you start off with fruit or granola? or yogurt
I actually
first?
like to start off with yogurt.
Okay,
to make
go ahead,
it
yeah.
a little base.
So I'm going to actually start off with the granola as my base.
Oh,
So I like the crunchiness. I know most people put it at the top for it, but I don't like to dive into that crunchiness.
Okay.
I like it to be at the bottom as like a surprise.
That's different. Yeah, I like that.
It's like, like a little treat at the bottom.
Right.
So
Almost
then,
like a little crust.
yes, like a little crust, right? And I do love the crust on like apple pies.
Yeah. A little bit of
Chicken pot
the
pies.
texture. Is
Yes, I
nice.
love the bottom. And I'm gonna add, I love blackberries. I know most people don't like blackberries because of the how tart they can be.
Right.
But I am bitter, but I love blackberries.
I love them too, and they're so good for you. So.
Yes, they are.
For texture, for other people that may be allergic to nuts, another good topping just to get some texture would be shredded coconut.
Oh,
I've had that before in my parfaits, and they're really good.
Yeah, shredded coconut. Also, sometimes a nut allergy can be very, very, you gotta be careful because it can be a little bit difficult to decipher which things have nuts and which things do not.
Right.
Because there's a lot of other things in fruit especially that have nuts in them. That if you're allergic, so for instance like almonds, if you're allergic to almonds, you might also be allergic to peaches because they're from the same tree.
Oh, wow.
Mhm.
So
like
some people might have that.
Yes, the reaction on their tongue. So when you ever find that you're having those reactions, you have to be careful because some of the fruit that you're actually eating come from the same tree.
Okay.
And that's why I said you have a tree nut allergy or this allergy
Right.
because it depends on the type of nut.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good to
So that's
know.
just something to keep in mind when you think about nuts. A nut allergy can be really, really serious. So just be cautious. And then in the middle, I'm gonna add the honey in the middle.
Okay. Just
Yes, I'm a little different here, yes. So I like to drizzle this honey in here and over top of my fruits.
Beautiful.
Yes. This is the Mimosa honey, so I'm excited. You want some honey inside?
I do.
So we'll just continue to layer, keep adding.
Yes.
Again, these are a little bit larger. For your party, you would probably want a smaller. Yeah,
Okay.
or maybe some plastic ones or something. Something that's you can throw away and toss.
Yes.
But these are personalized for us because
yeah.
it's just us. Yeah, we want that. So yeah. And again about this tray, this is typically a chip and dip tray,
Yes.
but it's versatile. So you see how we use it differently.
Yes.
And you can add any amount of ingredients or anything that's personal to you. And it doesn't have to be this type of fruit. It can be another type of fruit,
Right.
you know, so.
I love that, Dee, and because I try to tell the viewers my entertaining tip. So thank you for that entertaining tip.
Yay.
Because every time I have a party, this is like my chip and dip tray or my cheese and cracker tray.
Okay, yes.
I never thought about putting the fruit and the
Yes.
yogurt in the middle. It's beautiful. You just want to impress your guests.
Yes.
It doesn't take much.
And reuse these things that you have already in the house.
Right.
So,
All right. What do you like to end your parfait with? Like your top layer?
my top layer, I don't think, it just depends on how I'm feeling, honestly. So I'm not gonna have any strawberries. I'm gonna add some blueberries to mine. I get a little weird about blueberries fresh.
Do you?
Yeah,
Do you
because
prefer them cooked?
I do.
Okay.
I make like a jus like with my blueberries all the time.
Ooh.
Like I put it in like coconut oil in the pot, heat it over the stove, and then I'll just pour it on
Like a
whatever.
little syrup.
Yeah.
That sounds really good.
So this time I'm just gonna add a little bit more Greek yogurt and some honey, and then I'm gonna make it like a cute little like surprise, like a sundae.
Super cute.
And then maybe I'll add, since for color, I'll just take a raspberry and pop it in there.
So cute. I think I want to end mine with another little drizzle.
Oh yes. Oh, look at yours.
Honey.
This is fancy. Yours is really fancy. Mine is like so like, oh girl, what's going on here?
That's cute. Well, thank you so much for this
Of course.
beautiful pre-snack
Of course.
suggestion for our brunch takeover. I love it. I hope you all make this
Me
for
too.
your guest. It's fabulous.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers.